Hello everyone. In the last class we have seen DDL and DML commands, how we have executed those things. Today we will be seeing aggregate functions. So for that I have taken one employee table. So let me show you what was the employee table. So I am writing select star from EMP. So it will display the total table. So this table is having so let me describe you. So in order to describe the table, DSC EMP. So this is the description of the table. These are the fields or attributes: employee number, employee name, job, manager, hire date, sal, commission, department number. Right. So this thing, these are the attributes that we have taken. Now I want to apply aggregate functions. As we all know that aggregate functions are of 5 types, that is count, average, sum, min, max. Okay. So let us count the values of the number of rows that are present in this. So we are having count command or count aggregate function. We know what is the syntax of count. So let us see. As we all know that all the aggregate functions are used with the select command only. Select count. I want to display or I want to count all the rows. So I am writing star. Okay, select count star from. So total 7 records are there. Let me count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 records are there. Now I want to, like, I can also specify, instead of star I can also specify any any attribute name. So sal or anything I can take. So 7, right? I can also write here like distinct. Okay, so distinct. So here see salary has been repeated. Let us check 2850 2975. It is distinct 110 150 1250. See here 1250 is repeated twice, but instead of counting it as single, it will take as one entity. So let us see here. Even though I have counted the salary values, there are 7, but I want to count distinct salary values from employee table. Then I got only 6 because 1250 1250 has been repeated twice. So it will take as 1, right? Now this is all about count aggregate function. So you need to write function just like function we write open and close parenthesis. Here also you are supposed to write open and close parenthesis, right? Now I want to calculate sum of sal, right? So what is the total amount? So if I'm having 100 records, it is very hectic task to count or do sum 2850 plus 2975. It is very hectic task. So I can write as sum from, okay, from EMP. So I got some total, right? I got some total value. So this is the combination of 2850. If I add all these things, I will get this. But if I write distinct, what happens? The same thing. This. So I did not get the total same because here whatever the value I have taken, 1250 is taken as only one thing. So I will get